In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to get the wallet expansion upgrade in DMZ. All you need to do for this is extract with 10 bottles of liquor, extract 6 wine bottles, and extract 2 aged or vintage wine bottles. You can see this by heading to Mission Objectives from the main menu followed by Upgrades, and on the stash page you'll find Wallet Expansion 1 here. For these, you'll simply need to head to the Burger Shack restaurants on Al Mazrah, as those locations contain the most amount of kitchens and of course wine freezers and fridges. That's where you'll find most of these, but of course you can find them lying around on any map, literally anywhere. Usually the city in Al Mazrah in the northeast has most of these items that you're looking for, and it can really make your life a lot faster. As for wine, you can find them literally anywhere. For example, there's one on a shelf here, but you'll usually find them within restaurant fridges, etc. Cheap wine, perfect. Aged wine, even better. So as you can see, there's a burger restaurant all the way in the far north side of Al Mazrah city in the far northeast here. Inside of it, you'll find many fridges with aged wine, cheap wine, etc. What we're looking for in particular is vintage wine, but I think we're out of luck. In the back as well, you'll find a few fridges that we may be able to find this item in as well. Alright, there we go, mission objectives, upgrades. Now we've finished expansion 1. So thank you all for watching, might as well troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.